Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Akaza here. So, a few weeks back, I got NOFX, Warnerism, Frisbee, and Wolves of Woods clothing and self-entitled in the mail, as you can tell from the last video that I did. However, as I also said in my last video, Wolves of Woods clothing is sealed. The other day I opened it up, and I got a little surprise. It's not sealed anymore when I opened it up, but here it is. NOFX, Wolves and Wolves clothing. This is honestly, I know I said the Warnerism was highly relatable, but I'd actually kind of say this is a little bit more relatable to what we're dealing with. However, I want to show you something a little real quickly here. Side A, side 1 up there, the first song is called 60%. Side B, or side 2, the first song is Getting High on the Down Low. Alright? Now check this out. Alrighty, so you can see side 1 is spinning on the turntable. Let me just shut this little boy down. Whoa! There we go.
I'm on a line now, but she doesn't know. I'm getting high, I'm so down low. That's what I gotta do, I know where to go, unless I got a bottle in me. I'm in a Cadillac, I'm starting to stare. Who's the guy with the flames hair? Well, was the only man I was going somewhere, and then the stop sign got in the way.
Alright, as you can see here, Was the Wolves clothing, side number 2. Getting High on the Down Low is supposed to play. Let's see what plays.
I'm not here to entertain you. I'm here to meet my friend, the Russian, the Irish, the German, the Colombian. I don't care how bad I fuck up. I care about how fucked up I get. I'm not your clown, I'm your dealer. And I'm holding 3 bundles of bullshit. And you're buying them cause you are addicted to the pure and totally uncut. I'm not here to abuse you. I'm here to abuse my body. I'm here because old habits die hard. And seriously, what else am I supposed to do? This isn't my job, my hobby, my habit. It's sad. This is my life. Welcome to our mission statement. Total self-defacement and not giving our all. What the fuck? It's not that we don't pull it. It's just that we only give about 60% to 100%.
So, yes, my friends, NOFX, Wolves and Wolves clothing. A spoof. Side A is actually side B, and side B is actually side A. Which is kind of funny, too, because on the vinyl record itself, as I showed you, it says side 2 and side 1. Oh, I guess it does say side A and side B there, but man, this is pretty fun, pretty awesome. It's awesome enough, at least to me, that it made my day that I have a mislabeled or whatever NOFX record. And you might say, well, they did that on purpose, dude. No, they didn't. And the reason I can say this is because I used to have this record before it was stolen from me, as I mentioned, and I bought it back when it first came out, and I played that. I played the first one I had hundreds of times over the years, and I specifically remember it being correct last time I played it, 2014. Yeah, the only other spoof of NOFX that I've ever had was the NOFX Backstage Passport, when the disc marked disc 1 actually had the content of disc 2 on it, And disc 2 actually had the content of disc 1 on it, which I still have that actually. That was never stolen from me, thankfully. But yeah, I've got a NoFX Wolves in Wolves Clothing original pressing / spoof. That's just awesome. I just wanted to share that. Anyway, if any of you have any spoofs you want to share with me or do a video yourself, talk about it. Spoofs are awesome. You know, it's good when you get something like this. Anyway, I'm Anarka Akaza. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, leave your opinions down below of my work. Also, please hit the little bell icon next to the subscription icon, because apparently you have to hit the bell now to get notified of when I upload. I mean, I thought that was what the subscribe button's for, but YouTube is broken, so hit the bell button, please. Arigatou gozaimasu. Have a good day.